wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best garden scooters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, the American-made Vertex rolling rocker is a relatively affordable option, though a seat cushion and side pockets do cost extra, which significantly increases its price. It offers a minimum height of 11 inches. It rotates 360 degrees and the polypropylene parts won't rust. However, the base model provides no storage. At number 7, for a low-cost but decent quality option, it's hard to beat the Pure Garden 82-VY021. It doesn't have many bells and whistles, but there is a roomy tray to keep essentials close at hand, and the rugged PVC wheels are 3 inches thick. It moves well on uneven ground and weighs less than 8 pounds, but the assembly instructions are unclear. Moving up our list to number 6. Standing less than a foot tall and made from plastic, the Pure Garden Storage Cart 75-MJ2011 may not be as durable as some metal models, but it can still support over 200 pounds. It includes a removable tool tray and will keep the contents dry. However, there's no handle for pulling it. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for garden scooters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the Ames Lawn Buddy has an extra large chest beneath the seat that might be the only storage space you need for all your gear. The lid offers a roomy place to sit, along with 2 cup holders, and when it's time to move it, it flips up to become a sturdy pull handle. This one can support heavy planters, and the solid steel axles will last for years, but it does have some plastic hardware. Halfway up our list at number 4, the versatile miracle-gro 4-in-1 has a modular top that serves as a bench on one side and a foam-padded kneeler on the other. It weighs less than 5 pounds, so you can carry it easily with the handle on top, yet it can still support up to 225 pounds. The plastic is UV resistant and it's ideal for small gardens. However, it doesn't roll well while you're sitting on it. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, both the length of the handle and the height of the seat on the goplus patio wagon are adjustable, helping to make it comfortable for users of different heights. Its powder-coated steel frame should resist corrosion well if it gets left out in the rain. It comes with 2 storage baskets, 10-inch pneumatic tires, and a 330-pound capacity. At number 2, the Suncast Garden will not only help you trundle around the yard, it offers more space for tools and supplies than many other choices, thanks to an extra deep bin. The cushioned foam insert on top can be removed and used as a kneeling pad. It's equipped with 2 built-in cup holders, a removable accessories basket, and a pull strap. And taking the top spot on our list, the wire basket on the leonard swivel seat is large enough to accommodate a standard 5-gallon pail, giving it plenty of extra storage capacity, especially if it's outfitted with a bucket caddy. The height is adjustable between 16 and 20 inches. It features a comfortable grip on the handle, a durable welded 1-inch steel frame, and a 400-pound capacity. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for garden scooters, or simply click beneath this video.